Every year, more than 200 million televisions are sold worldwide. But have you ever wondered how these televisions are made? In this video, we will take a closer look at the fascinating manufacturing process of LED televisions. We start our journey at a state-of-the-art LED television factory that spans over 1 million square meters. This mega factory produces 500,000 smart televisions annually, specializing in manufacturing large televisions. One of the current technological marvels in televisions is the liquid crystal flat screen. This key component is found in televisions, computer monitors, and most smartphones. Compared to regular televisions, LED televisions provide a more vibrant image with better contrast, and they are also thinner. The manufacturing process of televisions begins with the largest component, glass. Glass serves as the starting point for television creation. In a clean room, the television screen is manufactured by sandwiching two thin glass sheets together. A layer of silicon is deposited, followed by a precise construction process that builds millions of transistor pieces. This step is repeated for tiny cells known as pixels on the screen. On the other glass sheet, a matrix of millions of red and blue subpixels, also called color filter arrays, is created. Small amounts of liquid crystal material are then dropped into the cells of the first sheet, and the two sheets are bonded together. Next, LEDs are installed. These LEDs are placed on their strips using a machine. The challenge is to disperse their light across a screen that can be as wide as 1.5 meters. The solution is a transparent plastic known as plexiglass. When light shines through one end, the structure of the plexiglass scatters it throughout the sheet. A robot positions the panel onto the light strip and adds two optical films that enhance the brightness and colorfulness of the display. Using high-pressure plastic injection machines, various front casings for different television sizes are produced. Once the screen is finished, the frames are installed. Liquid crystals won't function without power, so the components that distribute that power are manufactured on site. The main board, known as SSV, and the power supply board, known as PSB, are made with a machine. These boards are the brain of the television, containing complex algorithms that ensure perfect image and sound quality. Other boards, such as control boards, remote control receiver boards, and Wi-Fi boards, are also produced. Generating the image and sound involves using a large number of individual components that are placed one by one on thousands of motherboards. The completed boards undergo wave soldering, which electrically connects all the components. Workers then screw the motherboard to the back cover of the television using electric screwdrivers that are carefully calibrated to avoid over-tightening. After the assembly process, the televisions go through a testing area where the necessary software and information are recorded in the memory for the device to turn on. At this point, the television is turned on for the first time and all the components are checked. An electrical test is performed to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Highly sensitive scanners focus on key areas to ensure all the pixels are active and firing as they should. The final quality control process lasts a minimum of 4 hours, and each device undergoes rigorous testing. The entire process is supervised by highly skilled experts. Once the televisions pass the quality control process, they are hand-packed into cardboard boxes. At the end of a long assembly line, hundreds of televisions are packed on pallets. The packaging process is completed, and the televisions are loaded onto a truck, beginning their journey to the customer. The manufacturing process of televisions is a carefully planned and synchronized production line where workers and machines achieve incredible efficiency. From the creation of liquid crystal flat screens to the assembly and testing of individual components, every step is crucial in ensuring the production of high-quality televisions.